Okay guys, so John's going to give us a basic overview of the different units that they have available. Keep in mind that sPOD doesn't just make stuff for Jeeps, they have stuff for everything with a battery. Your overlanding trailer, your Sprinter vans, any kind of four-wheel drive, everything, they can do it. So John's going to explain the difference to some of their units.
Yeah, we got a multitude of units that we manufacture, but this is just a small sampling of them. So we got laid out here on the table is our standard JK 8-circuit system that we have. It's called the Source. This is for JK for 2007 through 2018. Okay. And this one here is our Bantam system, where space is at a cost and limitations. So this doesn't take up a lot of room. So you could basically put this in the Sprinter vans and UTVs where room is very limited with the Bantam system. It's basically the same thing as this, but in a much smaller package. And this here is our new Bantam X, which is basically the same thing as this Bantam here, except it's got an enclosure for harsher environments. So this particular system is for a Jeep JK. And any of these systems can be controlled, and I'll go over those in a minute with different controllers that we have. And then the last one that we have here is our Source 6-circuit system with standard relays, and it uses regular rocker switches to control it. And this particular system is one of our universals. It's got 4 standoffs on the bottom of it that allows you to mount on any type of flat surface. We also make these for JKs, TJs, and earlier model Jeeps as well. So these are our different controllers that we have. This is what we call our HD controller. It's more set up for the harsh environments, better for UTVs, race vehicles, Jeeps. It doesn't matter, but it's very universal, easy to use, and compact in size. Then we have our touchscreen version, which is the same thing as this, 8 circuits as well, and it's much smaller. Of course, it's fully programmable at the touchscreen. And then we have our standard rocker switch type switches too, which work with our 6-circuit. And any of our 8 circuits can be controlled by this type of a switching component, this, or even standard rocker switches. So it's really versatile. This is our Jeep JK switch panel with an air gauge in it. You can see the back of it's got all the harness already pre-wired for you. Everything is part numbered, stamped. We use Deutsch connectors. See, it's really done really nice here too. So that's the core of our systems. We do have quite a few other brackets to make it more universal, but this is basically an overview of some of the systems we have.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we'll be seeing you soon in another episode of Jeep 411.